I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend, Hal.
One tries to fly away.
Just listen to me and stop this madness.
Just so close from that wire. He says he wants
Hal,
to
what's
ask
wrong with you?
but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The skies overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less.
To cling to principles while your best friend bleeds out in your arms. I never asked for this! Goodbye, Jayce.
There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe.
Did you figure out where Gorilla went?
I won't let go of your hand.
Just come on, don't worry.
Gorilla talked about you all the time, his friend Goatee Priest. He said the two of you would become heroes.
Two birds of a feather.
We're still friends, aren't we?
Todd,
those days are over.
But one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar.
You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you!
Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away,